If a plane crash on the border between Kingston and St. Thomas, right? Where would you bury the survivors?
Between Kingston and St. Thomas. Where? On the border.
Yeah, where would you bury the survivors?
Yo, I don't know that one there.
You can't bury survivors, you know.
Jano, can't bury them alive still. Yeah.
Yeah, peeps, welcome to our next episode of The Questions. You don't know right now, we're in Morant Bay, St. Thomas, with episode 12 of The Questions. And today, watching out, we're going to ask 3 questions, right? And then we're going to give the people a chance to say some Christmas greeting. So you know, so that episode is special, don't it? So you don't know your boy Jnel, and as usual, I can't wait to move. Alright.
Every day I make clean. I don't know where I make clean.
Alright, my Jenna, first thing more I do, I just give me a name.
You don't know you know, Anto.
Yeah, my name is Jeremy Barkley.
Jean Thompson.
Yeah, Jamaica, you know. From St. Thomas, you know.
Michael Fenton.
I'm on Orlando Davis, man, straight down good, you see me?
You make the people know say, oh, you run anything, man.
Yeah, man, I made this, man, jerky, man, for years, man. Right on the block, yeah. Every Christmas, every grand market, I wheel at the corner. You hear that? You want the best jerky ticket, come right as St. Thomas, I will do it, here.
Devon.
Yeah, well, I know, so well, them call me Cane Bump, you know. Yeah, but you know, say, on the bird paper, Greg down, you see it.
Sarah Spence.
Everton Donaldson.
Simone.
Brian.
My name Pasley. What? Leroy Pasley.
Well, them call me Jerry Tallino.
First question now. If you kick a ball 10 feet from you, right? And the ball come back to you after its own, how is that possible?
Chick question.
I lick on a wall and come back to me. I lick on something.
No wall, no there, nothing there.
The win. Are the win?
Well, you know, sir, I can't get a full understanding about that, you know, because I'm not a baller, I'm a farmer, you know. And I just cane, fruits, and them things that I deal with straight up, you see me?
Now, man, there's some ghost thing that, my lord. Like,
Ghost.
yeah.
I can't come back when it once, sir.
In a bounce pan a wall, there's no string, nobody no kick it back.
Reverse.
Can't reverse.
I must kick up and either kick it, and roll back down. It must up and either kick it and roll
You're not
back
kick it up on a hill, you're not kick it on a wall, you're not kick it with nobody, you're not kick it with no string, nothing at all, and the ball just come back off its own.
right back to you. Yeah. Half you kick it at 10 feet, and then you have to walk back with the ball there, man.
Well, the ball around, you know. The ball around, and that could have really have to be like a vibration.
Cause maybe the strength when you kick it with it come back.
Strength you kick it with.
Yeah.
You're wrong, you know. Come again.
When me can't see nothing else, if you kick it and it lick pan something hard.
No man, it no lick pan nothing at all.
It don't lick pan nothing.
Nothing at all.
And you kick it and it move and come back.
Yeah.
That you must fling it.
Come back to me and fight one. Why the one they have me now?
Oh, there's somebody that kick it back to you. You never said
There's nobody, no wall, nothing, no strings, nothing at all.
You got me with that one.
You kicked it against the wall.
No, there's no wall, there's nothing.
I don't know.
You don't know. Give it a try, man. Don't just give up like that.
You kick the ball 10 feet and then it comes back. It's got a spring on it, a string on it, so it comes back to you.
Give it a try, man. Don't give up so easy. Kick a ball 10 feet away from it and come up by itself. Yeah. Is that the goal post? No, man, no goal post, nothing there.
Just kick it there and come up right there.
Yeah.
Kick a ball 10 feet and come back from here half to 1.
Yeah.
Why? We don't know that impossible, boss. Yeah.
Think about it now. You don't no wall, no string up on the ball, nothing at all.
Hey, and you kick it
10 feet and it come back to you. Half to 1.
But why? We don't know if it's about that one. I want it too sticky.
Next question now. You enter a room with one stick of matches, right? A dark room, right? There's a lamp, a candle, and a newspaper. Which would you light first?
The candle.
Candle. Why?
Because it will be quite easy to light.
But I go with the candle because the lamp must have no gas or no. You see me? No gas style. They don't know deal with it. Yeah. So I go with the candle.
Why? We don't prefer like the candle first, you know.
Candle?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, because the candle can't stand up to make me see. But the destroyer, you know, you just see no light and the newspaper burn out so fast and the next one I again.
The newspaper.
Why?
Can I catch quick?
Catch quick.
Which one of them with the light first?
Yeah. The entire room with that one stick of matches.
Yeah. Well, I try to light the candle, you know.
Candle?
Yeah, because the candle will hold the fire quicker than all the paper with that. The paper can burn out but when we catch a candle, you know, we have a light, that's all.
I like the lamp. Yeah.
Why?
Because there is an article about except the lamp.
The candle.
Candle?
Yeah.
Why?
Because the candle more easier for angle. And why is it that you have to take up the newspaper, right? You have to hold it. The candle is already up. The lamp probably it have on shade, so you have to lift the shade.
I have to light the candle first.
Why?
Because you know say it will burn the longest and it alone can depend. But if you have a light, we light back again. No.
One stick of matches.
Yeah.
Well, hear me now. Me I deal with the lamp, you know, if oil in it. But normally still, I like the candle because the most damage. Because the lamp can empty still.
Yeah.
And the paper can burn out quick and fast. So, you know, I just like if oil in the lamp, I like the lamp. But normally, I don't like the candle still. Because the oil must in the lamp.
I like the newspaper. The newspaper can light the candle and the lamp.
Sure.
Yeah.
The matches. Like you have to light the match to light the stuff. Yeah.
Get that one. That's correct. You get that one right.
Any matches? Yeah. Oh, they're right to the
Alright.
Why me I like for light. Me I like the matches.
Matches?
Yeah.
Big up, you get that one right. You get that one right.
I like the matches.
No, I like the candle first. Yeah, man.
Why?
You see, from the candle now, we can't light anything else. Yeah.
You're wrong, you know.
Yeah.
But you know why you have to light first? The matches. Alright.
Question.
Is it?
Yeah, the one they can be kill it. Chick question, yeah.
Oh, no bad, it's a real Christmas.
Are the matches?
Well, you catch me on that one there.
Oh, you got like the matches.
You have the matches already? You must see you enter the room but you have the matches.
Oh. We just get you though.
Yeah. See that? If a plane crash on the border between Kingston and St. Thomas, where would you bury the survivors?
Wherever the plane crash.
Not the mag. Easy.
Every plane crash on the border between Kingston and St. Thomas, where me bury the survivor. Well, the plane crash, I don't know if nobody survived. Because a plane crash, I don't know if no survivor in there, all of them dead.
Yeah, what I say? Me not bury them. Yeah. Me not bury them. My family member have to bury them.
Yeah, St. Catherine.
Why?
Because I nearest parish right now. Or Kingston, another Kingston.
When we between the border St. Thomas and Kingston, we never up on the border, you have to do it.
On the border?
Yeah.
Bury. For your survival, you can't bury. You can't bury live, man. You can't bury live, man, brother.
Between Kingston and St. Thomas. Yeah. The survivor?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, catch me this time in the car from the morning, survive, and I have to bury them, you see me?
On the border.
Where would you bury the survivors?
Between St. Thomas and Kingston. The department that bury the survivor.
Yeah.
You're not a survivor for bury the survivor.
Yeah. Yes, you're not bury survivors.
You're not a survivor for bury the survivor. So the department that bury survivor. We don't see no survivor no did this for bury.
No man, must say plane crash, you know. On the border between Kingston and St. Thomas. So where would you bury the survivors?
Oh, it crashed between the border of Kingston and St. Thomas. So we bury
Where we bury the survivor? Must in a St. Thomas.
In St. Thomas, why?
Yeah. Because I would have the nearest point where you can get to deal with undertaking and all those things.
Yeah.
In that parish.
Kingston.
Huh? Kingston?
Yeah. If a plane crash.
Yeah.
On the border,
yeah.
St. Thomas and where?
Kingston.
And Kingston.
Yeah.
When me I bury the
survivors, yeah.
Then there's some farmer cemetery, man. And then some farmer cemetery, me have to bury them or something. Where me have to bury them? You know
some farmer cemetery?
Yeah, me have to bury them in a hole in a coffin one sitting. Yeah. And so me have to bury them. Survivor them, how me I bury them? Me can't bury them on the border. Me have to bury them in a cemetery or in a them coffin in a grave there. Question the chicken how it's sold over there.
No, you think too deep now.
I don't think deep, man, because I made the things if I eat it, I made them over there.
No. You give up or you want to try again?
No, man, I give up.
Remember say, you say you bury it, you know?
No.
Alright, let me give you an answer. The answer is I can't bury survivors.
No! You let me admit that.
You see that?
Jano, can't bury them alive still. Yeah. Jano.
You see that?
Yeah, man, you're right again, man.
You know, you see how fast it
Alright.
But them have to dead for them bury.
That you should have said first.
Because them are dead.
Exactly. You see that?
Well, every day is a learning, you know.
I mean, you can't do that one day. You can't do that one day, brother. You can't bury survivors, yeah.
And I give you a chance to just send a Christmas greeting to your people them quick and fast.
Alright, watch it now. One because all I'm friend of Mark Bay School, you see me? I'm following on Instagram, Andel45, you see me? Because all I'm friend of Mark Bay School. It's a great Mark Bay School teacher. Because all I'm Mark Bay School, you see me?
Big up the boss.
Alright. Up, you don't know. Big up all my people, them up 96. I saw me and say Christmas greetings, you see it? Yeah man, Jerry tell I send it out straight to my family, them over there. You don't know. Rico, you don't know. All of the man them on the ends. Go and big up on yourself, have a Merry Christmas. Steve, the whole of the man them. So me I say, Jerry tell say that out.
Okay, I'd like to say Merry Christmas to my children in London, April and Zara, and my other two in Poland to Alison. Thank you very much.
Alright, big up my mother from UK, she there. Big up Mummy, straight up. And big up Karine. Big up Karine, my friend. Karine Mitchell. From Dalbury, I run the business.
Yeah, man.
I big up my daughter Jody and Taylor Wilson and his husband Fabian Wilson and my grandson Caleb Wilson. Merry Christmas, darling.
Well, we can get a Christmas greeting to all of the family still, you know. Portmore, St. Catherine. And we have a friend of mine in St. Catherine, Heartland. Down at home at St. Catherine. Plus my family back in St. Thomas here. My sister, niece and nephews and, you know. Who was St. Thomas crew?
Alright, now saying happy Christmas to my nephew, my niece, my sister, at Miami Garden, Florida, 27th Avenue. From Michael Fenton.
Yeah. Just greetings to my family in Port Morant, like Robert, my brother, and all the church people of the Zion Fellowship Spiritual United Baptist in Port Morant. Big up yourself.
Yeah man, big up my brother in Ikea man, Ricky. Big up my sister, all of my sister them in Ikea man too. Big up my mother back home. And peace and love, all of my friends them.
No. And to as I say, we are sending big up to all our family members. We don't know my mother, father, my two brothers them. I don't know my mother, see them McFarlane. Don't know Tony Blackwood, my father. Is me David. Big up to my brother them. And big up everybody, you know. Big up on yourself too, you know, Killy. And big up myself too. Is me David. Out there, you know, have a happy Christmas to everyone. Is me David. Big up on yourself.
I'm going to big up my old man right now, Sadami, aka Rajae, otherwise known as Brother of Dawn. I big up my youth, them, Anja, Greg, Jen, Starboy, I don't know, Shocking, Paula, my baby mother. Big up my mother, Miss Lenny, and all my sister and brother, my family. Man, I'm bridging them in the road, gonna all like juggle them, we got them honest bread at the street, just want to big them up. Yeah, overall, you understand? Because you know, say, then could do something else, and then just take a positive note. So I just want to big them up, seeing, and wish them all the best for 2019. Yeah.
I said, I big up my son, my two sons, and my daughter, and my baby father. All of my family, and my friend them. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yeah man, first of all, more big up my wife Maureen Richards, my son Davian, son Kiboke, daughter Pinkilo, daughter Deidrean, daughter Renee, and all of my grandkids them.
Yeah. To everyone in Toronto, big up on yourself.
Send out greetings to Timbaland Sound. Send out greetings to DJ Spenger, that's me. And big up Jnel TV.
Yeah peeps, thanks for watching the next episode of The Question, which is episode 12. So I want you guys to check out Barbershop VIBEZ TV. Name the writer, so you get me check out him YouTube channel, and the link I got in the description too. Him do the trick question them in the barbershop, so you know that creative and mad. So I want to go check it out, peeps. You don't know. I want to send my Christmas greeting too. You get me? I say, everybody get them chance to send it, but me not get a chance, so I'm gonna take my chance now. Alright, first one I send now to my whole crew, the Jnel comedy crew, Nick, Bijah, Asheem, Buhn, Rajae, Tomar, all I man them. Big up on yourself. You don't know, big up my mother, even though she's there at Jamaica right now, I big her up same way. You get me? I say big up my auntie, my whole family, everybody from England, United States, Canada. The whole thing. You get me? I say the sun is on my skin. So beautiful. This is nature. Yardman thing. You don't know your boy Jnel. And I'm out.